and say less to more people and let the video do the talking. Now, when I got started, it was a videotape. Today, we can send a link through our app that people can get seconds, right to the email or right to their text. Is that powerful, guys? We have two goals in Legal Shield, and this is what gets me excited every single day. Talk about big picture and dreaming big. We have two goals in Legal Shield that, to me, get me excited every single day. Our first goal is to market, to have everyone in North America have and own a Legal Shield and ID Shield membership. How many call that a good goal? Now, what's phenomenal is that we have 4.8 million lives covered with a Legal Shield and ID Shield plan. And that's phenomenal. To have 4.8 million people be covered by this voluntary membership. It's not a cell phone. You don't have to be locked into it. You'll learn to love it. It's a Legal Shield membership. They can cancel if they want at any time. Why do 4.8 million people have it? Because it works. We saw our law firms up here just a minute ago. Was that impressive? The service works, and everything I'm sharing with you just makes sense. We have 4.8 million lives covered in this membership, but the exciting part is that there's 350 million people in North America.